Hi everyone, this is Lasamy, and today I will be showing you how to make papaya salad, a Lao papaya salad actually. So let me tell you what's in the Lao papaya salad. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, salt, chili peppers. Now if you like it spicy, you can go like 20, 30. I have 5, that's all I need. I have shrimp paste, fish sauce, palm sugar, tomatoes, you can use cherry tomatoes, padek, papaya sauce, and lime, okay? That's all you need. Other people use more things, but this is all I need to make my papaya salad. All right, let's begin making a papaya salad. I'm gonna add in my garlic, add in my chilies, then I'm gonna add in a little bit of these papaya, just a strand, add in the salt. I'm gonna start smashing it. Now you want to cover it halfway so that the chili doesn't jump out and hit you in the eyes. We don't want that. That wouldn't feel good. So as you can see, I'm starting to smash. So you want to smash until your chili are totally crushed. I like mine pretty minced up. Okay. I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add in my shrimp paste, my palm sugar, and I'll continue to smash. Palm sugar can be hard like this that you smash. There's a paste version, but it's very hard to find. You can also use regular white sugar. It's about 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I have it smashed up. I'm going to go ahead and now add my tomatoes. I'll make it a little smush it in. You can be gentle with that just to release the flavor. Just like that. Okay, now it's time to add in the main ingredients, papaya. Make sure your papaya is firm and green and unripened, because otherwise it will get mushy and it won't taste good. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add in my padek or the papaya sauce. It's about 4 tablespoons here. I'm going to add my fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of this, and my lime. I'm going to use the whole lime. It's about 3 to 4 tablespoons, but you can use less or more. Squeeze that in. Some lime have more juice, some doesn't, so you just have to eyeball it. Okay. Add in the other half. That didn't give me too much juice. Okay. Perfect. Now we're ready to mix everything in. You want to hit from the side and push it up. This is the tool that we use. We have the Coke and the sock. So it's your motor pestle. You want it deeper so that it can hold a lot. And that's about it. And halfway, I like to taste it to see if I need to add in more sugar, more salt, depending on how you feel and what you prefer. So it should have like a sweet, sour, salty, and spicy taste. Okay. Get in there. All right, perfect. Wow, that was perfect. Okay. And that was great. The sweet, the sour, the salty, the spicy, just perfect. Here's what it looks like inside. I'm going to go ahead and plate it for you so you can see. Scoop this off here like this. And we like to balance it with raw cabbage to help us with the spiciness. And it's also good to add vegetables. And then some people add this eggplant with it. So I'm just going to top it on top. You can eat it, eat your vegetables along the way. And what? Okay, there you go, a papaya salad. All right, everyone. So if you like what you see today, please like my channel and subscribe to my channel as well, as I will have more recipes for you to follow. Thank you. Have a great day.